Hey guys, today is March the 24th of 2014. I want to go over the Euro, USD, and just give you my thoughts and my opinions. And that's pretty much it. So know that you should consult a professional financial advisor. I just give you ideas, what I see in the charts, trend lines, esoteric ways of calculating. But at the end of the day, you decide what's best for you. Trading Forex is very risky. If you don't know what you're doing, you can lose all your money. Alright, so let's get into the charts. Today's the 24th. We had an update here. Um, Tomorrow's going to be the 25th. This is going to be a 2-day window here. So all these dates you want to keep an eye on. The ones I'm really watching on is the 28th and the 27th. So this is one for tomorrow to keep an eye on. These are the ones I'm looking for, 27, 28. Euro hit 38.75 today. I got out at 38.40 because that was a 50% level there. So I went a little higher, but that's fine. I went long Euro and just got out. It could go higher, but I'd rather be on the sidelines and wait for it to continue going higher and have a fail new high. So keep your eyes on 27 and 28. Those are the dates I'm watching. You got it on a pivot high geometry from March 13th. You got it on the 27 pivot high, 3 clusters right there. And also the 27th, since this is a 2-day window, it could be 27, 28. On the 27, 28, we have a new moon. And for those astro traders, a lot of the currencies like moving on, full and new moons. They like doing cycles. Let's get into the charts, and let's see. Before I do that, let's go into what I got here. The square of 9 in time. Where are we? We're right here. So today was the 24th. Tomorrow will be the 25th. We're going to be right at the 90 degree from the November 7 pivot low. So it should be interesting. Could be a possible resistance day, or it could be sideways, or you continue going higher. But normally when you hit 90 degrees, sometimes it could be a possibility that it could kind of pause here, or maybe put in temporarily high or a short-term high. Same thing here. This is the 25th, and you can see that on the 7th we put a high, so it's a vibration level of the 6 right here. So this could possibly be a high with a resistance angle right here. And this is from the February 3rd low, which is at 34.76. If we go to the square, that was a square of 9. Go to the square 100. This is from the 34.76 low, which is February the 3rd. Look where the high went. 38.75. Nothing more, nothing less. So it should be interesting where we play from here. Is there anything else I want to show you? Square of 12. Nothing really there. I guess I ran out of chart. Maybe we could have looked at the 39.66. You can see this is from the high of March 13th. You can see how we put a high here, a low. 37.48 is a low here, and we found resistance at 38.75. Let's get into the charts. One thing you should know right now that according to the Gann swing bar, we're to the downside now. This is calculated every 3 days. I believe in the power of 3. For those that are religious, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Same thing, the power of 3, root of 3, the triangle, the triad. So I have this calculated for 3-day swing down bar it'll change trend. That's why, you know, if you ride this, you eliminate a lot of the noise. And now we're at this here. Does it mean that it's going to continue down? No, it could continue going up. I actually think it possibly could go higher and then kind of make a fail new high, you know, around the 27, 28, and then maybe push lower. So I just wanted to show you that. You delete that and look at the Andrews pitchfork. We found support right there. I haven't used this in a while. I'm kind of rusty. Maybe it's this one. There you go. We found support right there, and now we bounced, and we're now in this channel. There's a lot of resistance up here. Look at Andrews. You got that angle that you fail is going to be possible resistance. You found support here, so that's good. But if you crack this again and the Andrews, it could probably be Momo to the downside. What else? That's a bigger Andrew. Price retracement. Let's get these Andrews out of here. From here to this swing, you went through the 50, which is at 38.04. So you might have resistance at 38.85. Put this back down, and you got 38.43. That 38.40 is, that's where I covered, and it went all the way up there. There's a big level right here. It's not that one. It's a 50% swing right there, 38.40. So keep an eye on that also. Anything else? I think that's it. All our seasonal dates are passed. The 6th, the 13th, the 21st, and the 22nd. So we're done here. I should probably hide all these. And we'll look forward to April and see what we got here. But other than that, I don't have anything else to show you. Just keep in mind that the swing bar is facing down, so it's going to have to continue pushing up for this thing to change. But just keep in mind that. There's anything else I want to show you here? I guess not. Everything's covered. Let's go into my chart here. As you can see, we bounce off the 1 by 1. We're at the 38.2 Fibonacci level, which is at 38.32, and we're dancing right there, 38.34. We probably might pop and maybe hit this angle, or maybe hit it over here. But the 27th is right here, and the 28th is right here. Let's go to the big picture and see what we got going on here. It's gonna be a short video. I'm gonna try to get it under 10. It's gonna kind of give you a rough idea. I don't know what this is. EURUSD. So the monthly, weekly, daily, and a 12-hour. 12-hour already got the cycle to like go higher. You can see it right there building up. This is positive. You can see that short-term TTM is pushing higher. This hasn't changed yet. And the 50 is right in the middle. So it's kind of like in a gray area. This MACD is pushing higher. This hasn't turned positive, so we'll see how this is going to turn out. And our price is at 38.34, so you're in chop zone below the 20 with a PPS buy, so it could probably pull down and maybe shoot up higher, but we'll see. Same thing on the daily. You're still negative here, kind of sideways here. You're building up momentum now to like turn to an upcycle, so we'll see on that one. And on the MMG, you couldn't even get over the 50. You probably did, earlier today, but now you're kind of going sideways. So this could kind of give you, could probably do a hockey stick to the downside tomorrow. So, but we'll see. Probably do a retracement and maybe continue going higher. My bet is that this euro is going to go up until the 27, 28, and it could either make a new high or maybe just almost a new high, and from here maybe continue going down. So that's kind of what I'm speculating. Negative, everything's negative here, and on the weekly you're still positive. Team is still saying stay positive, and you're building a cycle now to the downside. So once we get something like this looking like this, then the turn it's really close. As of right now, this thing could still push higher, and this is showing negative right here. So we're getting close. We're getting close to a turn. I think that's it. Good trading, make some pips, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the euro.